So you want to be an Elementor expert, so don't worry, this free course and free videos will make you a Elementor expert. If you are zero in Elementor, doesn't matter. So this video is actually the intro part of this course. This course is free, by the way, and the videos are available on YouTube. But in order to make you learn in a great and simple way, I have made this available on my website, which is lesson.in. It's a course website where I release all my courses and videos so that you can learn it in a step-by-step way. And if you really want to take this further, then I would really suggest you to visit lesson.in. And don't worry, the links are given in the description below. All you need to do is just click on that link and you will be redirected to a page where you will get the coupon code to get this course for free. And don't worry, you don't require any credit card or anything. The coupon lets you buy this thing entirely for free, and by using this coupon code you can just get access inside the premium members course, which is this Elementor's website, and you can get access to all the videos, the community forum and everything, and also the support, so that if you have any doubts, any questions, you can ask the team and you will get the reply within the forum. And you can get all the updated materials. Like, we don't update it on YouTube sometimes, but we do update it on our website, because that's a systematic way where we can release the video. But on YouTube, it's all synchronized by the way of date and uploads. So that's why we are using our own website course portal to manage it, and I highly recommend you to go visit there and check that out. And you can opt out anytime. If you don't like, you can just opt it out, or you can delete your account completely if you don't like it. But if you really want to excel in this 2022 using Elementor, then let's get started with this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. And if you have any doubts, any questions, you can just comment here on the video, or you can also visit my Instagram page, which is @bloggersprout or @Niraj, and ask DM me there. Okay, that's it guys for this video, and I will meet you guys on my next video. Peace.